Hey guys, Sensei Jason here. We're looking to start a new video series with training tips that you guys can use at home to make sure you're practicing things correctly. So this is reference for all belt levels, for parents and students alike. So I'd like to start off with some basic stances. So the first one we're going to do is attention stance. So with my heels together, toes pointing at a 45-degree angle, back straight, fingers at my side. All right. Anytime we step into our attention stance, we're always going to move our left foot together. All right. Now from here, moving our left foot, we're going to transition to a ready stance or yoi position. All right, so fists are out in front, all right, and feet are shoulder width apart. From here, we enter our squat stance, all right, or shikodachi. All right, now my foot positions remain the same. So both my feet are at 45-degree angle, my knees are bent, and I'm not letting them relax. I'm putting my knees out, keeping my back straight with some tension on my abs. All right, so this is the foundation for all of our squat punch basics, all right, and all of our blocks, including basic 1 and basic 2. All right, another basic stance is our Zenku stance or lunging stance, all right, which is a long stance or a front stance. So my front foot's pointing forward, my back foot's pointing out at a 45-degree angle with my back leg being straight and front knee bent. My feet are shoulder width apart and my chest is a little bit at an angle. Well, again, we want to think about driving forward. If I look down and I can see my toes, my knee's not bent far enough. If we look at that from the side, all right, as you can see, this is a nice long stance. All right, and when we step, we want to make sure that we keep our right foot on the right side of our body and our left foot on the left side. So we'll step in and perform our technique. All right, we watch that from the front. All right, you can see that my feet never cross each other, and that's very important when you're practicing at home. Keep that in mind. Us.